Hey, let me get you unstuck with starting your business. Perhaps you've taken courses, you've watched videos, maybe you even have a diploma or degree in business and you want to get started, but you're just stuck. Well, the reason you're stuck is because you lack confidence in moving forward and you're looking for someone to tell you, yeah, this is a good business idea. Yeah, you should take this risk and so on. And that's hard. It's hard to find someone who's going to do that honestly for you, because there's always risks in business. What you're really missing is that confidence, and the only way to get that confidence is through practice. That's really it. Through experience, gaining business experience, you gain confidence. Now you might be saying, well, wait a minute, Matthew. I'm Matthew Giorgio, by the way. Wait a minute, Matthew. How am I going to get experience starting a business when I haven't started my business, and so on and so forth? Well, the answer is simulations, business simulations. You can gain years of experience in a matter of minutes and hours by playing a realistic business simulation. And ultimately what that does is it exposes you to the things you're going to see and have to react to, and you're going to gain confidence because you've seen these things now. You've had the opportunity to address them, and once you gain confidence, you'll gain skills, and skills pay the bills. And so ultimately, that's really what you're looking for. You're looking for that confidence. You may not realize it, but that is exactly what you're looking for. And the only way to cut confidence is not for somebody to tell you should do something. It's for you to gain experience, and you do that through practice. And I invite you, if you want to try this, check out business-xp.com. That's business-xp.com, where XP stands for experience. And I think you'll be pleasantly surprised by what you find there that can help you build your confidence. I'm Matthew Giorgio.